This system is tested for both blank seals and seals with service penetrations. Protecta FR coating, FR acrylic, and Service Coat FR1 are water-based products. In situations where corrosion protection is a concern, certain metal surfaces may need a suitable primer or barrier layer applied before installation. This instruction is for up to EI60, E120, and for up to EI120, there is a 100mm FR board solution. Surfaces can be sealed as specified in the installation instructions, but should be a minimum of 25mm from surrounding constructions. Products to be used in this installation are FR acrylic, FR adhesive, 60mm FR board double-sided, FR collar, and Service Coat FR1. Before installing Protecta FR board, ensure that all surfaces of both the service penetrations and surrounding constructions are clean, dry, and free from dust, grease, or contaminants. Measure and cut the Protecta FR board to fit the aperture dimensions and different types and sizes of service penetrations. Leave approximately a 3mm gap between the board and the floor tiles. All exposed and cut edges of the Protecta FR boards must be sealed with 2 greater than or equal to 7mm diameter beads of Protecta FR acrylic, applied approximately 10mm from the edges of the boards prior to fitting, which will act as an adhesive. Apply 2 continuous greater than or equal to 5mm diameter beads of Protecta FR adhesive on the floor, approximately 10mm from each edge of where the FR boards will sit. Place the board firmly onto the adhesive and allow to cure for at least 4 hours to achieve a firm bond. All surfaces and openings must be sealed with Protecta FR acrylic on both sides. Use a trowel or wet brush to smoothen the seals of Protecta FR acrylic for a neat finish and to ensure a smoke-tight seal. Coat cables and cable trays on each side of the board with 150mm, nominally 300 microns wet film thickness of Protecta Service Coat FR1. Fit Protecta FR collar around plastic pipes and combustible pipe insulations penetrating the board on both sides, and secure collars with 50mm pigtail screws. Install the raised access floor tiles and ensure to press down on the FR acrylic wet sealant beads, but not the boards. If the raised access floor tiles are installed before the barrier, simply butter the edges instead of applying the 2 beads mentioned, and friction fit the board pieces into place, without the 3mm gap to the tiles. The installed system can be overpainted with most emulsion or alkyd paints. For a moisture-resistant seal, use Protecta FR coating over cured FR acrylic. Rely on Protecta, the best choice to protect against the spread of fire. Visit protecta.eu for product details and detailed installation instructions.